Hey everybody! Yeah, so you might have heard, especially if you live in Canada, that we are having a snowstorm today in the east, mostly. And yeah, I don't see what they were talking about. It's not really a storm or anything. I don't know. Man, this is crazy. Look at all that freaking snow I'm gonna have to shovel. Yeah, I'm probably gonna use the, my snow blower for this. Yeah, pretty insane, eh? Ah, man, yeah, that's what snowstorms look like in Atlantic Canada, I guess. Woo, that's a lot of snow. Ah, man, look at that. Yeah. So anyway, I hope everyone has a great snowstorm. See you around, everybody.